This is your next essay assignment for Composition 1, College and the Schools, Writing 1120 in the UMD catalog. So we are continuing along with your research process after you've chosen topics and a general idea as to where you're heading with what will be your final argumentative paper, and this is an important step along the way. You are going to do a comparison contrast essay, and that's clearly listed up top as the topic of this essay. There's a particular form that you follow for a comparison contrast essay, and there's two styles you can choose. One is point by point, and one is a blocked style. We are going to cover those in class. The directions for that are not on this assignment sheet. You need to pay close attention in class, and you'll choose which one of those you'll follow. Either one is correct. Some lend themselves better to other topics. It really is a choice of your own. So that form will be covered in class. This is the directions that are important to pay attention to. There's a premise for this, and it's listed up here that at this point in your research, because we are researching both sides of the topic thoroughly on this one, you're looking at both sides of your research question, you should have a very strong research base on both sides of your topic, both the points that you agree with and the points that are contradictory to you. So for this assignment, you're going to be asked to really take a look at those because it's important, not just for this paper, but for the rest of your life, that when it comes to a topic, you can't be blind. You can't just think about your feelings towards it. It's important to get a thorough understanding of both sides of the topic. Otherwise, you become somewhat myopic. You can look that word up, which means you're just focused on your side of the topic, and that does not lead itself to generally good debate. So what you'll be asked to do, you're going to pick two opposite views or opinions on your topic. That means maybe you have one area of your topic that you've researched thoroughly. So let's say that you did choose something like, we should go back to Iraq to stop the advancement of ISIS. I don't know if this will still be actually going on. I'm doing this lesson in late August, but I'll just use it as an example. And maybe this will already have happened. Whoa, mind-blowing time traveling. Anyway, let's say you chose that topic and you chose yes, indeed. Your answer to that question is we should go back, boots on the ground, and have a force in Iraq to stop the advancement of ISIS. One viewpoint on that then would be it's too expensive. That would be an opposing viewpoint to your thoughts. And so that's where you would focus, not on every aspect of opposition or what you agree on for your topic, just for one particular section. And so you would focus solely, potentially, on the monetary part. Maybe your argument for would be, we need to protect the citizens of Iraq. An argument against that is, we've installed a military that was supposed to do just that. We've already taken care of that. Do you notice it's not every aspect that you'll be debating? It's just one major area on which you've done research on both sides. Take a look at these views. Really look at them. On what major areas do they disagree? So if we stuck with the monetary one, someone might say it's too expensive to go there. But then again, on the other side, you could say with the oil that's there, with the repercussions throughout the Middle East, it's too expensive to not go there. Like you would look into specifics about the monetary concept of it. If you say that we need to go there to protect the citizens of Iraq, what exactly do you mean? You'll look thoroughly at it. And then, of course, on the other side, that we've installed a military that was supposed to protect the citizens of Iraq. What exactly do you mean at that? It says, look at the major points of discussion for your topic and see where these two different opinions vary. Like truly look at both sides of this one part of your argument and understand both. It doesn't mean that you have to change your mind, though heaven forbid you do look at it more clearly and maybe do change your mind. These things happen. So once again, you're not looking at every aspect of comparison or contrast or differing viewpoints on your topic. You're looking for one major aspect and you're going to look at both sides' discussion of said aspect. You will write a comparison contrast essay. You have an introduction where you explain your topic and these two differing opinions you found. Tell me what specific part of your argument are you focusing on and what are the differing viewpoints. Then it says in multiple body paragraphs, you'll cover these two opinions thoroughly. And this is where it says block or point by point. It's truly not that difficult. I'll show you in class. So it's very important you understand that you're not covering every area of debate for your topic. You're picking one main area of debate and you are researching both sides thoroughly. and you will cover both of them. You're going to compare and contrast these opposing views. If taken seriously, this will save you time. You'll probably use major portions, if not 90% of this essay, when it comes time for your actual final research paper, because this is exactly what will be included in your research paper. Hence why we're doing this. The goal of this, though, beyond just the writing and beyond just having the information for a research paper, is that you learn this skill to not be so focused on your ideas that you don't spend any time at least researching and looking into the opposing viewpoints, because this is how life works in order to have effective debate. So if you have any questions on this, you can obviously get in touch with me through Google Classroom. You can ask me in class. And it is important that when the time comes, you do pay attention to this form, which isn't that difficult. This is your comparison contrast essay.